All right, e-hacker army, let's talk about something super important. How you can defend yourself from hackers. Whether you're browsing the web, checking your email, or even just using social media, these simple tips can help keep your data and identity safe from cyber criminals. First things first, use strong, unique passwords. I can't stress this enough. A strong password should have a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. And please don't use the same password for every account. If a hacker gets access to one, they could get access to all of your accounts. Consider using a password manager to generate and store secure passwords for you. Next, enable two-factor authentication or 2FA on all your important accounts. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring not just your password, but also a code sent to your phone or email. Even if hackers get your password, they can't access your account without that second factor. Always be cautious when opening emails or clicking on links, especially from unknown senders. Phishing attacks are one of the most common ways hackers get access to your personal information. If something feels off, don't click. Check the email sender's address and hover over links to see where they really lead before opening them. Pro tip: if you're not sure about an email, you can always contact the company or person directly through official channels to confirm. Another critical tip: keep your software and devices updated. Hackers often exploit vulnerabilities in outdated software to gain access to your system. Whether it's your phone, laptop, or even your smart home devices, make sure they're running the latest versions. Regular updates usually contain security patches that fix these vulnerabilities. Public Wi-Fi is convenient, but it's also risky. Hackers can easily intercept your data on open networks. If you must use public Wi-Fi, avoid logging into sensitive accounts like your bank or email, and always use a virtual private network or VPN to encrypt your data. Finally, make sure you regularly back up your data. In case of a cyber attack like ransomware, having backups ensures that you don't lose important files or information. You can store backups on an external hard drive or in the cloud. Just make sure they're secure. So, to recap, use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, be cautious with emails, keep your software updated, avoid risky public Wi-Fi, and back up your data. Following these steps will make it much harder for hackers to target you. Stay safe, stay secure, and if you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family.